You could have plus past participle means that it was possible for someone to do it, for something to happen, but they didn't do it or it didn't happen. Examples. You could have stayed in our house when you came here last month. You could have gotten a free ticket had you arrived here earlier. You could have cleaned the garage while I was still out. You could have gone to medical school instead of law school. You could have gone abroad to work, but you preferred to be with your mother. You could have changed your career if you didn't marry her. You could have woken up early to clean up outside. You could have called her to ask what it was about. You could have said sorry. You could have said yes to him.